Me, I'm too crazy, but every girl you meet is too gazy. I'm sure those other girls are nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi, come rub it up like a Harley. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? And 20 over limit. The red light, stop. I don't play with him, comes to my heart. Let's get it go. I don't really want to. Oh, I forgot the rest. But see?
That's from a song.
Okay.
I don't really want a white horse and a carriage.
I'm thinking more right portions and carrots. I need it right here because every time you call, I play with your guitar. The last part's a little dirty.
Sing it.
Go. I did it for you.
No.
I just rapped.
But I said maybe.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Just do it.
Hey, Joy, you didn't finish the rest though.
Yes, she did.
I finished what I could. Here. Okay.
Oh, that.
Oh, that's not gonna play the rap part.
No, watch.
Oh, I've seen that.
Where was the concert?
Key Bank Center. I'm sorry, Amanda.
It's okay.
I heard you were very upset.
Is it all of
I was
She was
so
upset.
bummed.
I was upset.
Why are you still recording us over here? Like,
Wait, did
You
you
pulled it.
see
I
what
was
my
mad at
tag
this
was
first
saying
vlog.
about TikTok?
Huh?
Will you bring me the iced tea?
Sure.
Jimmy, you look gorgeous.
but I don't believe
Please.
you.
You do.
I don't
You're
believe
wearing
you.
Justin.
You do.
Thank you.
And so, Jamie, you know who has a clothing line? Amanda too, because I'm pretty sure you watch the same show, Lauren Conrad. You never watched the Hills?
Yeah. we
Yeah.
watched that too.
Okay, that's where Lauren Conrad is from.
I
Yeah.
know, but it's not currently airing.
Yeah, I know, but she has a clothing line.
Yeah?
I didn't know that. I just
Yeah?
bought 2 pairs of jeans and 2 for scarves.
Do you like it? Where'd you buy it?
Kohls.
Really?
How much were the jeans?
Jeans, these ones were 20 something.
Each?
Yeah, want to see them? You guys want to see the scarves?
Are they
Yeah.
Super cute.
You look.
At the raffle.
Yeah.
I'm excited for the meat raffle.
Yeah.
I genuinely am. Like,
I'm
there's a
having
whole
fun.
bunch of baskets
I
that we
can't
can
wait.
win. And it's a dinner, right?
No. You bring your own snacks.
Okay.
Wait, where?
It's just accessorized for school, because I have to wear all black.
You can wear that at school, though?
Yeah. I can wear scarves and stuff. Now here's my favorite one. Look away, look away. Guys,
Yeah.
Oh, that's long. So
warning for till 8 p.m. tonight.
Okay.
What does that mean?
It will freeze in an instant.
so
Ooh.
No, and then when I get cold at school, I just go like this.
I love that.
I love that. Can I have it?
You
It
can
was
have
only
it, Jamie.
$6.
$6.50. I got approved for a Kohl's credit card. So I'll be shopping at Kohl's a lot.
Perfect. You know what? I'm gonna put my first 4 outfits on there.
Yeah, but here's the thing. You have to pay for it when you
You don't have to.
don't
You
have to.
you choose to higher up your credit? Big ups.
So can someone?
What?
Can someone
Big
call my
ups.
phone?
Yeah. So
Yeah, you wouldn't understand.
From like
I love
BET.
this scarf though.
Can one of you guys call
I
my
really
phone?
want it.
No, Casey. You don't need your phone.
I really want it.
Enjoy our company.
And then did you see the little heels I got
Will you
too?
go buy me one?
Yeah, we'll
Do
go.
they have any other colors?
Jamie, let's go right now. I'll drive.
No, it's
No, yeah, we'll go right
No,
now.
it's bad. And
I
then,
look really ugly
Did
right
you see
now.
the new
No.
heels?
She always looks beautiful.
No, I don't. What?
Yes, she
Did
does.
you see the new heels I got?
just show them
Amanda,
the
did I
raffle
look
of
like
the
a new
video
woman
that
the
you
other
took.
day when I came over?
Did you
Yeah.
take a picture?
No, I haven't. I wanted mom to, but she didn't take one of me. And but with my new heels, all my new outfits I just bought, I look like queen at school. I get so many compliments too.
You wear heels to school?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah. They're not huge heels.
You love
either.
school, don't you? You never wanted 10, huh?
And
What's up,
$20. Okay.
What's
How
up,
are you
man?
today?
Mom,
What's
How
up?
are you today?
Mom,
Yeah.
I get my iPod back and $20.
Are you hungry?
Okay, you can have your iPod back. We'll talk about the $20. You have a whole bunch of Walmart gift cards, so
I only have 2. And they're only $40.
so
That's a lot. Nick, are you hungry?
Goodbye, night.
Jaden, you should always be appreciative of what people do.
Is Matt in his truck?
Yeah, he's going to grab something from me.
Nick, are you
But you
hungry?
have more than enough to buy a night from Walmart.
Maybe a little bit.
Go for a coffee though.
Okay, hold
He's
on.
not 16 or 18.
Huh?
I'll show Jamie my new shoes.
Okay.
Meatballs in the
I also
sauce.
want you up there.
You want one out?
I love them. When I wore them out yesterday, I got so many
You
compliments.
wore them and
Why?
you
What's your style?
I like both in the sauce.
I love that.
I'll never leave shoes again. Well, I got a lot of compliments at school the past week of how I've been looking. Like even a girl, she's proud to. You look like such a baddie, and I don't even know this girl. And then she wanted to make plans with me.
Just don't make it. Like, just pour it. And
You want to know why?
Why?
Because Grandma said something to me once, and it always stuck with me. Although I really haven't stuck with it.
Yeah.
But she said people want to be seen with people who make them look good.
Yeah.
So if you like are looking all fashionista and stuff, if they're not jealous, they're gonna want to be hanging with you.
Right?
Ma, can I
Right.
have this bread?
All black.
Yeah.
Of course you can have it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, man.
No problem.
Yeah, why thank you, Matt.
Jaden.
Okay.
And
Let's go, Jaden!
You already have a
We got to work.
Amanda, I don't remember ever agreeing to this meat raffle, but I'm totally down.
oh no, Matt told me.
Oh, I was about to
I
say
said
what
I
I
would
saw.
go, so that means
I figured it
I
might
think
you
the
would.
raffle is gonna be so fun.
No,
Yeah.
so I didn't get a
And like all
Justin-
of the different
Justin-
meats you could win.
Justin gave a solid probably.
Guys.
Are you drunk? Gabrielle?
No.
But he ain't on a JB song with me.
I be trying to chill, JB time to stop at the throw. No pun intended, was raised by the power of will. Like Luke with the force when push comes to show. Like Kobe in the fourth ice water. We be the best, and yes, we the flies. Like David and Goliath to conquer the giant. So now I got the world in my hand. I was born for 2 stars in the moon's world. And
Did you make that wrap up, Jaden?
no, it's an action.
I'm gonna put Lily on the floor, okay?
Looking at.
Dude, are you ready?
How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good.
What are you playing?
For honor.
What is it?
For honor.
What is that? Fortnite in Spanish?
No,
Really?
it's not.
What is
no.
it?
It's a night game. Stuff.
Oh, For Honor.
Yeah.
So it's not Fortnite in Spanish.
No, it's not Fortnite in Spanish.
Do you know how to say Fortnite in Spanish?
No. Probably just Fortnite.
Have fun playing Fortnite Espanol.
You do that.
Will you go get me another soccer ball?
Subscribe
to our channel, comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
What is this? You gotta act it out.
Thanks for following GJG in the house. We'll see you next time.